Hey guys, how's it going? I don't know if any of you saw my last video I did with my Superman action figure, my daughter's action figure strapped to my drone. Anyway, I think it was Off-Axis FPV made a comment about be better if you could see Superman actually flying, like he was in a position flying. And anyway, yeah, because he was like sitting on the drone in the last video, and I was like thinking to myself as well, I was like, it just sucks, he's just sitting there. But so I tried something else here and see if we can get it to look a little more realistic. Check this out. So I attached this plastic rod with Superman in the front here, so I can kind of fly along with him. And the other camera is kind of pointed towards him to see if I can get any footage from that one as well. So I don't know how that's going to affect the flight performance. The propellers are not touching, but just barely, and this has a little bit of flex to it, so I don't know if he's going to be wobbling all around in flight. So anyway, I'm going to try it out and hopefully not crash or lose him. My daughter would be mad. Anyway, take a look at the footage, see how it goes. Cheers.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief, all my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, it's a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. Feel the impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. But ain't nothing inside. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Flexing on that we on. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill them all, feel the motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud, where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.